Hi, how you can close your $1,000 deal in a day? So, hi everyone, this is Nilesh Jain, and in this video, I am going to share with you how you can close your $1,000 deal, and I'm showing you the exact method, exact strategy that I used for myself and to close $1,000 sales just a few days back. So I'll show you the exact framework, exact strategies, and I have the seven framework, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven framework, or seven method you can say that helped me to close my first $1,000 deal. And point number third and point number third is something that you can definitely if you implement and focus on it, then going to change your life and help you to get more sales. So let's get started. But before starting the video, if you are watching me for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. And in this video, I'm going to share with on this channel, I'm sharing all about internet marketing, funnels, organic marketing. Let's get started. So point number one is identify your dream audience. Identify your dream audience in the sense is who is your dream customer, who is your exactly a dream buyer you feel like are going to buy from me. I did a complete 1 hour training. You can check that out. If you don't know how to find out how to identify the dream customers, you can check that out. Number two is active in front of this audience. Now, once you decide who is your dream customer, once you identify your dream customer, active in front of this audience. For me, to close that $1,000 deal in a day, I'll show you where I was active. I active in this target group. I was active in this target in this group to close the deal, right? And here what I did, I'll show you in the point number next few points. What I did here is, so active in front of this audience. So if I can show you right now, I don't have any comment there, but I was active, too much active in this community in the past. And I am active too much, but not any post I am doing. I'm just focused on comment marketing. So active in front of this audience. Then third one is add a new connection and most active new members. This is something that I am talking about it, and add a new connection. If you can see in this group, okay, I'll show you the screen. You can see this group, there is so many new members in this group we have. And if I can scroll it down, anyone here can do website. I find some new members here. Yeah, this is a new person in this group, Paul Monaco. He is a newbie to ClickFunnels. I absolutely love this model, the model. And if you can see, this is a complete newbie person, as he mentioned. Although he is from 2018 in this group, but I don't know why he is posting this kind of stuff. But he mentioned newbie to ClickFunnels, so definitely might be he was not that much into this business or what. If you can see, he has too much of queries right now and in future as well. And this is the same thing that I did to close my $1,000 deal. I can bet you how I can bet, but this is the same thing that I did. That one person is from India itself, and he posts so many queries. He asks so many questions related to ClickFunnels, related to a product of ClickFunnels. And I was most active at that time. I'm checking his profile. I saw every single day whether he is posting some new queries, whether he is posting any new content. I was actively engaged with him. I answer all his queries related to product. Not this person, I'm just giving taking pick his profile as a example. But what I did, whether I just click on his or her profile, and there I found this thing, that I found there his question, and I just replied to him. I just give him the honest feedback related to product, related to his question. And that's how I build a strong connection with in front of him. What I did is become their friend. Don't try to pitch. Then what I did is I just become his friend on the messenger. At the same time, I send him the friend request, and I connect with him on the messenger, and I ask in a genuine way, like, I see your post, I see your question, does that query is solved, or still you are looking for any solution? This is the next thing that I did. Messenger script, messenger framework, right? So this is what I did. And if you want to know about more messenger framework, messenger marketing, I have a training inside my Facebook group. You can be a part of it, or link in the description, right? So become their friend, don't try to pitch. That is what I did. I become his friend in the messenger, and again I was consistently see her his post, his content, and one day he asked post content related to product. Serve them first. So serve them first. Fifth point you can is the serve them. Now, is sixth is the understand their problem. The fifth and fourth and fifth I think might be same. So sixth is understand that problem, right? What I did, he asked one query related to product. Now I directly jumped into his messenger and I asked, what is the use of this particular product right now into your business? I simply ask the same question. You can use the same, you can write it down and understand their problems or challenges. So I just try to understand why he need this product. Then I give him the exact solution like, okay, one, you need, if you want this product, you have to use this. Second, I just give him my honest opinion. I just give him my honest review, feedback that why you have, whether you have to purchase it or not, right? So don't just try to be pussy or too salesy for your own uh, for on your own profit. Just try to give him, understand his, whether he want or he is going to waste his or her money. If you can serve in this way, you are definitely going to crush the sales. You are definitely going to make more sales or revenue into your business, right? So I try to understand his, or then at the end when he told like, no, I need this product, I want this product because it is going to help me into my business, into my journey, then I give my offer. Here I give my offer. Okay brother, if you literally want this, I have this offer and you can be a part of it. As I'm talking about in this continuous, in this conversion, all related to one affiliate product of ClickFunnels, which is the worth of $1,000. I'm talking about that product software, not ClickFunnels own software, ClickFunnels other software that I promote. I give my offer, and here the sale was closed. And because of this, all five to seven methods, seven frameworks that you can use, and this is the exact framework that I used. Hello. So I don't know where my voice is lost, but at this sex, at this point, I give my offer. On this offer, I give him, and the deal was closed. And that's where I closed my first $1,000 in a day. So many times, like in the past, but this is the exact recent framework that I can share with you. The recent strategy or recent framework I implement, and it helped me to give this sale of $1,000 in a day. So if you can go and implement all the seven framework, you can watch the replay or you can read the description to find, if you implement the same steps, same framework, this is going to give you the sales, and definitely you are also going to make your first $1,000 and whatever the number it is. And one thing, it is a process, it is not an overnight reach scheme. So it is a process and you have to focus towards process. I'm not just a person who tell you, okay, go and do this kind of stuff, you're going to make overnight reach scheme. There is no overnight reach scheme. But yes, if you implement the same framework, same strategy, you are going to make it possible. So thank you so much, and I hope you get value from this particular video. Okay, so please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because this is something that helped me to reach to more people, and so they also able to hit their target, hit their milestone, whatever they want to. So that's it. Thank you so much once again, and you can be a part of my Facebook group. The link is in the description. So till then, Nilesh Jain signing off. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.